Hi, I'm Arifin, CEO and co-founder of StretchSkin. We provide smart physical rehabilitation solutions using soft sensors. Currently, most sports therapists struggle with two major problems. Most have data collection issues because they are still using pen and paper to record their patients' progress, leading to numerous errors, making it difficult for them to assess their patients effectively. Secondly, most of the solutions out there in the market are using hard sensors, making it difficult to measure all parts of the body. For me personally, there were two occasions in my life where I needed lots of physical rehab. The first was when I was diagnosed with a neuro disease known as Miller-Fisher syndrome, which affected my balance and my ability to walk. The second, when I tore my meniscus during a game of soccer. What I found during rehab was that these sessions were extremely boring. I had to walk in a straight line back and forth, and it was just not motivating. Which is why it comes to no surprise that studies indicate between 50 to 70% of patients globally are not motivated to complete their treatment. The sports rehab market is massive, worth billions of dollars, and have huge potential. The Southeast Asian market alone is worth $150 million, which is why we have developed StretchSkin, and StretchSkin works in two ways. The soft sensors, also known as stretchable electronics, has the ability to detect strain, range of motion, as well as gripping force. The nature of these sensors allows the therapist to place them on any parts of the body. Using these sensors, we incorporate them into wearables so that rehab data can be captured effectively and objectively without the need of the therapist to keep eyeballing their patients all the time. And we are excited to share with you that we have filed 7 provisional IPs related to the application of these soft sensors. The second part of the solution is that we provide a rehab gaming platform so that patients remain engaged and are motivated to complete their treatment. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we have got competition in 3 areas from companies that provide soft sensors, sports wearable, as well as rehab gaming platform. On the right side of the screen is how we stand out. We provide low-cost sensors. We focus on rehab rather than performance-based wearables. And lastly, for patients who are less mobile, who are on their beds or on their wheelchairs because of their injuries, they can still enjoy the rehab games. At the moment, we plan to work with distributors to market our solution to sports clubs, rehab clinics, as well as hospitals. Our second business model includes licensing our soft sensors to other companies for them to develop their own solution. And at the moment, we have got great traction. We have got 1 paid customer, and we have signed 5 LOIs from companies in the UK, Singapore, as well as Malaysia, and as well, we have got 20 use cases from rehab homes in Singapore. Although startup is complete without an A team, we have got a combined experience of 75 years in sensors, software, design and business development. My co-founder Mayang was a research engineer and has been working on flexible and stretchable electronics for the past 7 years. For me, I have a PhD in health information where I was looking at how emotion as well as gamification can change patients' behavior. Our advisors come from both the academia as well as the industry and has been crucial in helping us to develop the product as well as forming relevant partnerships. We are raising our bridging round at $350,000 to help us develop the product further, to acquire talent as well as to acquire, of course, new customers. And this will also help to facilitate us to enter into the MENA region. As you can see, StretchSkin is working on an important area for both the sports therapists as well as the rehab patients. Come and join us to make mobility king, and we invite you for follow-up discussions after this speech. Thank you for your time and attention. Bye.